Okay, this is how to use Nano Banana, the latest AI image model. It's super easy. You can go to fal.ai. Here you can find basically all the latest, best AI models. You can use them for the cheapest price out there. So this is Nano Banana. This is the edit version. You can either do text to image or image to image if you want to edit an image or if you want to combine images. And it's super easy. You upload an image or two, or I think up to 4 images. Here a person and a car, and then here you can add a prompt, make the photo of the man driving the car down the California coastline, and then here you get your output image. So we can try it with something else. Let's see if I have an image over here. Yes, okay. We open an image with iPhone and then create an image of Donald Trump smashing this iPhone on the ground. And let's hit run. This is costing about 4 cents per image, which is basically the best price you're gonna get anywhere. And then you wait a little bit and there we go. Here is the image of Donald Trump smashing the iPhone on the ground. And I think personally this is the best versatile image model out there. Another one that people are hyped about is Dream V4 Edit. Also very good, but sometimes I get like slight glitches in the image. So the iPhone maybe has like not the right Apple logo or something. Anyways, yes, fal.ai/models/fal-ai/nanobanana. I'll put the link in the description, but you can see it here. And here at the Explorer page, you can find anything. Also VO3 for video. You can find audio effects, AIs, video AIs, anything you want. You can get it on fal.ai. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you want to see anything else. I'll make a video for you. Cheers, bye.